welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a bit of a collective over a while the Wonders of Vintage haul. Hope that makes sense. The Wonders of Vintage is an amazing vintage store in Southend. It's a kilo sale sort of shop, so you shop per kilo and it's priced per kilo. So normally it's £20 per kilo, so some of this is from a £20 per kilo, some of it they have offers, they are £15 a kilo, which is where some of this is from. Hope that makes sense. But I will run through kind of approximate prices with you throughout. The Wonders of Vintage, it's in Southend. If you go to Southend Victoria Station, like the central station, it literally is a 2-minute walk from there. It's amazing. I love it. And the owners are really nice and I bloody love it. So you might have had a sneak peek. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this a while ago because I did a reel. But you guys are going to get to see it tried on and see what it looks like on me. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. So the first thing is actually this top. I wore this today. I actually went and visited today as well. This is like well in the past for you because by the time this goes up, this would have been a while ago. But I was doing a shoot for Havens Hospice and thought I would pop in here as a little treat. So I actually got this a while ago when I was doing another shoot for Havens Hospice, but this top worked out £4 each. So I got 2 tops this day and it came to £8. This worked out £4 and it's just this gorgeous kind of graphic tee. A lot of them in there are like American style things, and I'll show you the back. I hope you can see it's got like a funky back graphic. Now this and actually another top I'm going to show you in a second, I got them thinking they're going to be really oversized and they're actually not very oversized. I feel like I always get caught out of this having a bigger chest. I always see things like, oh, that'd be nice and big, and it never is. But I do find, and I've said this on here before, if you get a top and it's not as oversized as you were hoping, then actually tucking it into a bra and making it into a crop top gives you that kind of baggier look without it looking silly, because I know when I want something oversized I want it to drown me, and when I don't get that I get a bit funny. I don't like feeling claustrophobic in my tops, so tucked up like this I actually love it. I've just started it with some Levi's which I got from the Latham Street for the bag sale, and I just love this as an outfit and I just think it's so cute. So I absolutely love this top and it's worked out at £4. Okay, so here is the top. I think it's super cute. I love it. I think the back graphic on this really makes it though, and as I said, I find it so much more flattering if I tuck it into my bra. I just think having a tighter kind of top over my hips just makes me a bit frumpy and I don't like it. But the back graphic on this is just where it shines. It's so cute. I love it. And I love anything bright and white. I just fell over my rug. Anything bright, white, colours, love it. I'm just in love with this top. It's so cute. The next top I also got on the same day, so this was in £20 per kilo, so works out £4, is this top, which again, this is tiny bit too small, which is so annoying. I don't know why I didn't notice that in the shop, but I just can't tell with t-shirts. But I thought this is the coolest graphic t-shirt ever. So let's see where it's actually from. Let's see if I can work it out. Bad Boy, the world of buggies. I don't know. It's some sort of racing thing. It's some sort of... There's big cars on it, but super fun. It's from 2015, so it's not super old. I think this one's older, and you can see there's like actually a bit of damage on it, which I actually quite like. But I brought this mainly because look at the back of that t-shirt. Like, I'm sorry, that is insane. I think these paired with denim shorts, jeans, are the perfect kind of summery spring outfit. And I think they look so cool. Put on some trainers and oh my gosh, you got the best look there ever. And you can literally buy these kind of vintagey style tops on Pretty Little Thing and they're so expensive. So I don't know why you'd shop fast fashion when you can get cheap graphic tees, super cheap. They have basketball, baseball, you know, American football, racing t-shirts. They have football shirts. They have like shell jackets, jumpers. They literally have everything. Like, I don't know why you'd ever buy something new that's like a graphic t-shirt because they have so many great ones. So definitely look out if you're in the area and you love like a graphic t-shirt. Even if you just like wearing them to the gym, to sleep in, whatever, they're so reasonable. They're like, it works out about £4 a t-shirt normally on their £20 per kilo in terms of like the weight of them. And I'm not being funny, you wouldn't get a nice graphic t-shirt for £4 anywhere, like even if you went into Primark. So they're so good, love them. And I just thought this is a really funky top, and I thought styled with, again, with some jeans, this would be a really fun look and I really like it. Probably is because this is a bit smaller, I'll probably tuck it into my bra as well, but you'll see how I wear it in the try on. Okay, so here is the other top. As you can see, it's just slightly a bit too small. It just pulls around my chest. And although I really like it, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one. Might donate to charity or find a friend. I definitely have a friend that will love this. But yeah, I think it's super cute. And I really love the colour. I love the back detail again. But I just think it's the tiniest bit too big for me to wear it comfortably. small, sorry. The other one, however, although it is a slightly bit smaller, it's a tiniest bit bigger. It's okay. I think this maybe is just a little bit too small, but I love it and I really want to keep it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to be good and we'll give it to a friend. But I think it's super cute and I really love the graphic on this. I think it just shows what amazing stuff you can get in the wonders of vintage. So the next pieces are the bits I got today. So it was £15 per kilo. This worked out £18. So that's too much maths. Divide that by 3, that's how much this stuff costs. So the first thing I picked up was this Disney t-shirt. Now, you know me, I love anything vintage, I love anything Disney, like that is my 2 favourite things put together. However, I don't normally like the Disney t-shirts with a date on, because if I didn't go in, you know, 2013 or whatever, I don't really want a top with it on. But I saw this, I thought it was really cute, showed my parents, and Dad was like, we went in 2007. And I was like, I feel socially acceptable wearing this then. Not that anyone would ever question it, but I feel like I want to have gone in that year. So this is 2007, which is when we went to Disney. The first time I went to Florida, first and only time. But oh my gosh, perfect oversized t-shirt. I love the yellow. You guys know I love the yellow. Like, give me a bright colour any day. And it's got the Fab... Is it the Fab 5? No. The Fab 4. It hasn't got a mini on it. But I thought this is so cute. I literally love this. So when I say oversized, this is what I want in my life. Let's be honest, I quite like having slimmer fit tops. I think these are just the way I love. They're super baggy, comfortable. To be fair, this is the sort of top I'd wear out. I'd wear to Disney. I'd wear in the house. I'd wear to the gym. And I find I literally don't ever even wear pyjamas anymore. I just gravitate to my like couple of big, really oversized vintage tops, and I live in these. These with cycling shorts, amazing. You can. It's also like pajamas that you don't really feel bad if you're like chilling in the house and you've got people over. I don't know. I love it. The fact that it's Disney makes me really happy. 2007 when we went. I just love it, and it's yellow. And I feel like, yes, the fireworks. If I'm looking up here, I'm looking in the mirror. The fireworks are like in the shape of a Mickey. So it's like a hidden Mickey. Oh, I love it. Super cute. I'm in love with this. They have so many vintage Disney, so definitely check it out if you're a Disney fan, because I find on the rails, I've at least seen like 3 or 4 Disney t-shirts every time I've been, if not more. And in their rare find section, which you pay per item, they always have at least one Disney, so definitely check it out. So the next thing I got was, again, in that deal, and it is just these Adidas kind of tracksuit bottoms. They're that kind of like shelly, you guys know what I mean. You can hear the material this is, with kind of the bib material on the inside. I hope you guys are getting these descriptions. They're in a size XL. And oh my gosh, these are so fun. They actually have change rooms in there as well, which is amazing. And you can try on the stuff that's in the kilo sale absolutely fine, which I actually really like, because I wish I'd known that when I got these 2 t-shirts, because I know I love them. They are a little bit small. However, these fit so nice. So they're kind of a wide leg all the way down. They don't kind of go in. You can make them go in at the end, but I haven't. I've loosened it completely. So they're kind of like baggy on the ends. And then they also have a zip, so you can kind of open it up to show off your trainers. I know this style, maybe a bit, I don't know, 2019. I bloody love it, and I think it's so cute. I've never pulled it off before. I've never found any that I really liked. But I thought these are super lightweight, so like be cheap in my kilo sale. And I just thought these were so cute. There is a couple of marks in them, which I'm sure I'll be able to get off. But I thought this, with even just like a white bodysuit, a black bodysuit, I actually tried it on with this t-shirt, and it looked so cute with like a nice graphic. I think with some chunky trainers, this is just a super fun look. I was thinking like a little white crop top would look nice. I think you can style these in a lot of different ways as like a nice everyday comfy outfit. And if you're not comfortable, then like, why are you wearing an outfit? I literally live in my comfy clothes, so I thought it was super cute. So I thought I'd pick these up. Panned you down so you can see the trousers. So it's got that cute little kind of split in the side. I hope you can see that. And I short this with like some white Jordans, and actually I'll pan you back up so you can see what they look like at the kind of top. But they've got this kind of like inner drawstring, which I love because it means you can tighten them really nice on my waist, but they still fit on my legs comfy. And I feel like it's nice and lightweight, like wouldn't make you too hot. And I feel like this with some like white chunky trainers, my hair looking cute, I feel like such a vibe. I'm in love with them. And the final thing I got is this rain mat, just because I needed a rain mat. You guys know, sort of UK summer, maybe raining. So I thought I wanted like a really lightweight, but still a rain mac, because if I go for walks or anything, I want something lightweight, because like you guys know I get really sweaty and I want something lightweight, but I want a hood, and I just don't have anything that's got a hood that's super lightweight, apart from my Disney jacket, which is super bright, and although it has a hood, it's definitely not waterproof, which is a bit annoying. So I thought I would pick up this. So just an Adidas, again I thought it's nice and lightweight for the kilo sale. It's just Adidas, it's grey, I think it's like an XXL. Oh, it's a US XL, and it's a GB 48.50, which to be fair, working in the charity shop, I've started to learn what them sizes are, but I don't know. But basically it's a nice oversized little rain mat, which I thought would be perfect, just chuck over like jeans and a top when it's raining and I want to go out. So I thought this is perfect, nice and lightweight. I don't know if the hood is detachable or not. I think, no, the hood is attached. Oh no, I'm going back and forth. I think it is attached, which I don't mind. I really like this. I thought this is a good thing to pack for, you know, summer days out, and it can probably fold down nice into like a rucksack, so you could probably fit this in nice and small, and also could put it in my car. I loved it, thought it was cute, and for that price, like literally can't go wrong with like an Adidas jacket. And that is everything I got in the Wonders of Vintage over the last couple of weeks. Definitely if you're in the area, go and check it out. It's such an amazing store. I love it. It's huge. You can rummage. They've got stuff for everyone, I feel like. It's mainly, as I said, t-shirts, jumpers, hoodies, jackets. They've got jeans, like Levi's and stuff. They've randomly got football scarves and rugs as well, which are really fun. They've got a couple of kids' clothes, but mainly like sporty American brands, and I literally love it in there. And I could honestly only wear my graphic t-shirts in there and be happy. Like, they're so, so nice. So thank you for watching. If you did like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!